Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So 2 weeks ago was actually my birthday and I realized that I never recorded an unboxing slash birthday haul for you guys. So I'm going to be doing that today. But before we even start anything, make sure you like this video, big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. And last thing, make sure you click the notification button down below so you guys get updates every time I post a new video, so you guys stay tuned, alright? And without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright guys, let's start. And first thing I'm going to show you guys that I got was 2 colognes. And I am such a big fan of colognes, like I'm so obsessed. And I love collecting them. They are one of my favorite things to have. And the first one that I got was actually this YSL one that I had before, but I haven't purchased it in a long time. I think it's called Intense. Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to get it, but it smells so good. This is actually like a statement cologne. So if you want to go to a party, to a club, you put this on, you're definitely going to get someone's attention because it's just such a statement piece. It's not a piece of clothing, but it will make an impact, trust me. Alright guys, next cologne that I got was actually from Montblanc. I got this one in the Millennium Mall, I believe. They do have a store over there. And this cologne is so good. This one is definitely not as strong as the YSL one that I showed you before, but it's really good. I wear this one usually during the day. You could wear it at night too, but it's not as strong as the other one. It's a good everyday cologne for sure. And this one is called the Emblem. I will also leave the link down below for you guys if you want to get it. And yeah, these are the 2 colognes that I got for my birthday. I am obsessed with them. Definitely wearing them like almost every day until I get tired of them, hopefully. But yeah, these are my 2 favorite colognes right now. Obsessed. You guys got to buy them. So good. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the second to last item on my birthday haul. And this is actually a pair of sunglasses from Louis Vuitton. This is the bag that they came in. And I got these at the Macy's in New York. They are super nice and super helpful over there. They do have 2 stores in New York, I believe. They have the regular store and they have the store inside Macy's. And I honestly like the one inside Macy's because I feel like there's more stuff and more items for you to pick from. And it is less people because everyone goes to the main store. And these are the glasses. This is the box that it came in. And let me show you guys them. Just give me 1 second. So this is the case that you carry in your bag or your car, and these are the glasses. Okay, yeah, so these are super nice. They're something very common and you can wear them all year long. They are the Pacific sunglasses from Louis Vuitton. They're super nice with the black and gray monogram. I love these glasses so much because they're so effortless and you could just wear them all year long. Winter, summer, fall, any season they'll look good. And these are, I'm not sure how much I paid for them, but they're pricier, you know. But I'll leave the link down below. I actually did not find this color online. I only found them in the gold with the brown monogram, but I'll still leave the link down below so you guys could take a look at them. But yeah, this is my 3rd birthday gift this year. Obsessed. And I love the mirror lens on them. So yeah, let's get to the last item of my birthday haul. Alright guys, so this last item is something that I've been looking forward to getting for so long. I actually saw them in the Louis Vuitton Spring 2018 collection, I believe. And I fell in love with them. I was obsessed. I was like, oh my god, I need to have these. They're so different, and they are a pair of shoes. So this is the bag that it came in. Super cute, you know, same bag. And these shoes are so heavy. And a little fun story is I've been looking, I went to the Dallas store, they did not have this shoe. I went to the Orlando store, they did not have this shoe. I went to the Louis Vuitton main store in New York, they did not have them. And when I went to the Macy's store in Louis Vuitton, they actually said that they did not have them, but Jessica, as I mentioned before, she was super nice and helpful, and she actually found them. They were on hold for someone and they did not pick it up, and I was so excited. Like, I could not contain my happiness, and I actually did buy them. I think the box is upside down. Is it? I don't even know, but yeah, these are the box that the shoes came in, and it is a pair of sneakers. And Jessica told me that they actually were the last pair in my size in the whole US, which I was shocked because that's so exciting. So it was definitely meant to be. And let me just show you. They do come in 2 separate dust bags, which I love because it does protect the shoe more. And let's get to the unboxing. I love these dust bags, like especially to travel. It's so easy. And these are the shoes. They are the Arch Light monogram sneakers in white. These shoes are to die for. Oh my god, look at this detail, guys. They are super cute. Let me actually pull them up on my phone because I don't know if I'm saying the name right. So these are, let me see here. I actually like been looking for the name because I saw it in the website, but I always forget it on the top of my head. Yeah, they're called the Arch Light sneakers from Louis Vuitton. So they are a woman's shoe, but a lot of guys been getting them, and they are a size 11, so they fit me perfectly. And I just think they're so different with the monogram on it. It's so perfect. And I'm obsessed. So let me show you the other pair. They're so cute. Alright. So that's both of them right here. And I have not worn them yet because I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to style these. Definitely with an oversized blazer, I'm thinking some like high-waisted pants. These are going to be so cute. And some people might think, oh, these are kind of ugly and they're chunky, but that's what's in style right now. And I'm obsessed with the chunky sneaker look. So definitely going to rock the heck out of these. Alright guys, that is all I have for today's video. These 4 items, I am so happy and grateful I got them, and I'm definitely not trying to show off or brag. I'm just trying to share my happiness with you guys. And yeah, that's all. And before I leave, make sure you guys subscribe and like to the channel again and click the notification button. Alright, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.